So Sean, what are we doing? What is this thing, by the way?
This is going Celestial Unicorn, bro.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. This is an Impala, but it is retrofitted with a LS1 in there.
So how much horsepower is it making?
I don't know, but a lot of bald eagles. I don't know how many, but a lot. So we sanded it, we flattened the paint to make sure that everything, there's no imperfections. And we are going to start wrapping this a deeper red than what this is. Would you call this like a fiery red? So right now it's bald eagle red, and we're gonna wrap it in Inozetek Corsa red.
Do we have the color here?
Do my bald eagle cuts real quick. They're gonna, play the shing over.
I was gonna do the bald eagle sound. You wanna do a bald eagle sound?
The bald eagle sound.
Okay, do you wanna do one?
That's a darker red.
I like it.
And it's a Inozetek too, so it's gonna look like
pink. Fun fact for you guys, we actually started off doing classic cars when we actually first started way back in like 2004. We're getting back to the roots.
Yeah, brother!
Sean, have you ever done one of these cars before?
Have I ever done one of these
Have you ever
cars?
done a classic car?
A classic car? This will be my first real classic car.
I'm glad we can share a first with you.
Yeah.
That Raul didn't take.
Yeah.
I heard that. That was fun.
That took a while, but.
Yeah.
You can wrap over this, even though it's like sanded.
It still has enough clear coat for me to wrap over it.
I assume we sanded because the paint wasn't in good condition.
The car was repainted, but they didn't polish it and do the right steps to where it looked like it was like completely ready to go. So we just leveled out some of the paint imperfections and then now we're good to go.
Wrapping is definitely a lot cheaper than painting, so some clients prefer that. But keep in mind, if you are planning to wrap your car instead of painting it because you just want to save money, you still want to get it sanded like we did. That way everything is smoothed out. So if you have any chips, any dents, things like that, you want to get it taken care of because it will still show through the wrap. Definitely prep it correctly and then put the wrap over it. And if you get a color or a brand like a Inozetek that looks very similar to paint, it's gonna look really good at the end of the day.
Do it this way.
Fucking Ted did this to me, bro.
No, you didn't have to do it this way.
What do you mean he's do this 45,000 times?
Look how many cuts he's got to make. All the way down. It's amazing.
It's not bad.
Do it again about 100 times.
Man, this wrap looks like we just gave the car a fresh paint job. The color is so clear and smooth, and the gloss is seriously shiny. We didn't even ceramic coat it. The wrap accents the body lines perfectly, flowing where it needs to, and emphasizing the sharp lines where needed. The red is deep and vivid, and it's like looking through glass. And on top of that, we polished all the chrome, which really makes the car pop altogether. We took off all the trims and bumpers too, which allowed us to wrap everything as cleanly as possible. Our goal is to always make the wraps look so much like paint that people can't believe it. And one of the ways to achieve that is by having the edges look as perfect as possible. Even though the wrap is the main job, we also added a new audio system since the old one was terrible and freshened up the interior with some new seatbelts and moldings. Overall, the car looks like it's back in its glory days. Guys, that is it for the Impala. Hope you like that project. We are actually currently at our new location. We moved, so the next video you see will be sort of a transition video. If you want us to work in a car, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.